Hello and welcome. I have Sanjeet Kumar with me. Congratulations, Sandeep. You qualified the Assistant Labour Commission exam. How are you feeling about this?
It's great. I was very excited when I got my result.
And
After a long time,
you not only qualified it, you got All India 11 rank.
rank was something different, but to get into seat which was just 35 in number, that was a great sense of achievement when I saw my exam result.
I'm sure it's a wonderful feeling. And tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? Where do you hail from? Where did you study?
I am from actually Bhojpur district in Bihar, but I did my schooling mostly from Ranchi, presently in Jharkhand right now.
All right. And as far as my knowledge goes, you were working already while you were preparing for this exam.
Yeah, I was working, ma'am. I was working for a very long time. I was in Merchant Navy, and like everyone in the Bihar, we have a culture of seeing a lot of bureaucrats and into government jobs. So that pushed me towards civil services exams. And once you are into civil service exam for trying to prepare for UPSC, and you try to give every possible things that you can. And since I was having a lot of interest in labor law also, so this came as a godsend opportunity for me that I can opt for ALC and get such a coveted post.
Okay, so I would like to ask you about how you manage time while working on the job and still focusing on the preparation. This juggling of roles, can you throw some light on this?
Yes, ma'am. Since I was working and I was in Merchant Navy, it was very tough for me to get anything when I'm on board. And since nowadays we have internet, but that time when I started my career, there was no even internet also. So things were very difficult, and on board we don't have any timetable schedule that how many hours you need to work. Every time you go to port, you don't get rest also. That was a tough time. I could not manage my time. But when I got down, then I had my BPSC mains exams. So I was preparing for, I had an optional subject called LSW, Labor and Social Welfare. Then I was revising all these things, and I was already into place when these ALC exams were to happen. I think somewhere in month of November, if I'm not mistaken. It was in month of November, and I had already revised everything.
All right. So you were also preparing for Bihar Administrative Services, and your subject of labor and social welfare helped you with the ALC exam.
That is correct.
Amazing. And because you have qualified and with such a good rank, I would like you to give some tips to students who sit for such an exam. What helped you the most? 3 things if you can point out for us.
The first thing is the perseverance, that never give up. You'll always get an opportunity. Never fail down. That once you have failed in an exam, that you have become worthless. Every time you bounce back, and this is what happened with me. Even though I was not able to see my name in the final merit list for civil services exam, I appeared for the civil services interview twice, but I could not find my name in the final merit list. But somehow through this ALC exam, I could see my name in the final merit list, and that was a very delighting moment. Second is hard work. After perseverance, you need to work, because there's it's a very tough competition, and hard work pays. Hard work always pays. Third is what all to look for, which all topics, because syllabus is so vast that you can get lost in so much of, because out there in the market there is a lot of stuff also. So you need to sort out which all material you need to get and keep on revising them. rather than looking for so many materials, keep on revising whatever source you have, and this is what worked for me.
That is amazing to know that hard work. Obviously, it's a known fact that hard work pays, but I think it's easier said than done. You were able to do it, and I wish the people who watch this video get inspired to work harder. I want to know more about this. So, if you were to coach students and tell them that this mistake you don't have to commit while preparation, what could be that mistake that you think people do often while preparing for such an exam?
Like I said, not to be misguided by what is there in the market. Look out for all the material that you have. Choose the best one, which whosoever has qualified the exam, ask them, or any good coaching institute. Like I have used your coaching institute material, Human Peritus, so that helped me a lot. So students need to keep in mind that they need to have their minimum of material, the best one, and keep on revising what they have. For the ALC exam, we have a clear, concise syllabus, and so we need not to go for keep on searching for so many material. So go and keep on revising. You could revise for 6-7 times. Practice more of multiple choice questions, so that your concept keep building up. So this is what helped me. And for the interview, you need to practice yourself. You need to keep on talking to yourself. Stand in front of mirror and keep on talking to yourself. And since I have already faced UPSC's interview, so there was no such anxiety fear. So that helped me a lot during my interview also.
Probably the fact that you had worked so hard and it was your subject, and also you had revised it so many times. So I think the knowledge also gives you a lot of confidence while preparing for the interview. You know inside when you know it, and you know inside when you don't know it. So you can't fake it, I think. Yeah, and amazing. And another congratulations that you qualified the Bihar Administrative Services, and you are going to join. You're already on the training.
Yeah, I'm already I'm in a probation period, but I'm already posted as additional SDM Mohania.
Wow, that is amazing, and thank you for taking out time and speaking with us and sharing your preparation strategy with other students who aspire to achieve what you have achieved already. Thank you so much for speaking to us, Sanjeev.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.